Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to subtotal with hidden rows in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. Normally to total the any column you use the sum function. So here I select a cell, use the sum functions and select the range of column, close the bracket and enter. Here you see the total amount is calculated. But in sum function, when you hide some rows, the total amount will not change. Suppose I select this some rows and right click of the mouse and click on the hide. You can see here the total amount is not changed. But in subtotal, the total amount will change when you hide some rows. So let's see how it's done. So I use here the Control Z to undo the actions and remove this sum functions. Now I use the is equal to, enter the subtotal and select here the subtotal function. Okay. Just drag with the below, and here you can see the all the function list. Select the 109 sum functions. Okay, so 109, you just enter 109 also, and after that use the comma and select the range of data, bracket closed and enter. Okay, now I select the some rows and hide it. So right click of the mouse and click on the hide. See here the total amount 82,996. When I hide some rows, the amount will change accordingly, hidden row. Okay. So here this visible amount only calculated here. You can see when I drag and see here the sum 43,927. Okay. Only visible amount is calculated here in subtotal. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.